16th October 2025, I gave myself a challenge to consistently hit the gym for 120 days. And it's been more than a month now, and here's what happened. Immediately between day 1 and day 10, you will notice improved mood and energy, but there will be no visible changes in your body. Disclaimer, before starting this 120-day challenge, I was already kind of regularly going to the gym, but I wasn't really pushing myself. And if you're someone who has just started lifting weights, then it might take you at least a year to just know the know-how of things or the proper form of various exercises. So be patient with yourself. Day 11 onwards, I noticed an increase in strength, but I was still hitting the same weights. For example, I was able to do lat pull downs of 20 kgs, but now my form had much better control and stability. Day 13 was a bad workout day. Low energy, low mood, random people playing romantic songs in the gym. But I told myself that I showed up even though I didn't want to, and I had every excuse not to. So that was enough for that day. Day 15 to 20, your muscles will feel really sore, and somehow that will make you happy. Quality of sleep will be much improved and mental clarity will be unmatched. Day 21 and you are 3 weeks in. It is no longer a challenge, it's a habit now. Day 21 to day 30, the last 10 days, you will notice that you can actually lift more now. During the span of these 30 days, I jumped from my personal record of leg press of like 40 kgs to doing 80 kgs. Now I can do 3 sets of 10 reps each, 80 kg leg press comfortably, just because I consistently went to the gym for like 30 days. And by the end of 30 days, you will definitely have more patience and more energy. Also, by this time, you would have stopped working to like look good, but to rather feel good. But gym नहीं जाओगे तो अच्छा ही लगेगा. Once going to the gym becomes a part of your daily habit or routine, you won't feel good unless you have been to the gym that day. My final tips and lessons from these 30 days would be: number 1, keep showing up. Number 2, dress well for the gym, because if you look good, you feel good. Number 3, make sure to eat enough protein in your diet for muscle growth and recovery. Ideally, you're supposed to have like 1.2 to 1.6 gram of protein per kg body weight every single day. Your thumb rule can be to have protein in every single meal that you take throughout the day and like less snacking. Number 4, try to make friends at the gym. That way your workouts are way more fun. Number 5, publicly post your gym streaks. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would know that I publicly post my day. Like I'm on day 52 or 53 as of today. Posting your gym streak publicly will definitely help you be consistent if you're someone who really cares about your public image. And number 6, and this is highly underrated, is 6 to 7 hours of sleep at least, 8 if you can. And 2+ liters of water is mandatory, which I still need to work on. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.